Every chocolate bar begins deep within tropical forests.
Freshly harvested pods of the pods move quickly before fermentation begins. Inside every pod lies the raw future of chocolate. Fermentation unlocks the flavor hidden inside the bean. Heat and time begin shaping chocolate's signature aroma. Careful drying preserves quality for the journey ahead. Only the best beans continue toward production. The harvest is prepared for industrial transport. From remote farms, cocoa begins its global journey. Every mile brings the closer to transformation. Global chocolate production begins at industrial scale. The raw essence of chocolate travels across continents. Multiple ingredients unite to create modern chocolate. Inside these walls, raw cocoa becomes refined chocolate. Automation takes control as production begins.
Purity is essential before flavor can emerge.
The transformation from bean to chocolate has begun. The transformation from bean to chocolate has begun.
Roasted cocoa begins its controlled journey through the factory.
Every movement inside the plant follows precise coordination. The first mechanical transformation is about to begin. Supporting ingredients arrive in perfect synchronization. Sweetness enters the production chain at industrial scale. Fresh dairy ingredients prepare for blending with cocoa.
Modern chocolate production depends on constant precision.
Solid beans slowly become smooth liquid cocoa. The heart of chocolate moves deeper into processing. Separate ingredients, combined ingredients combine into a unified recipe. Every department moves in continuous coordination.
Dispatch, Unit 4 moving sugar now.
Copy that. Proceed to Line B.
Every department moves in continuous coordination.
Beep every jury districting into picture.
Texture defines the quality of premium chocolate.
The production flow never stops moving forward.
Conching refines flavor, aroma, and smoothness. Controlled airflow stabilizes every stage of production. Temperature control prepares chocolate for final shaping. Automation ensures perfect consistency across production. The first recognizable form of chocolate finally appears. And this is how modern factories produce chocolate.